This question is asking, simplify 40 minus 3 squared minus 8 divided by 2 parentheses 7 minus 5. So before we start this problem, let's first understand the order of operations. The order of operations is how you're going to start this problem. There's a certain order in math that you need to abide by, starting with the parentheses. This acronym, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What these letters represent is parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So these are your orders of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. And that's how you're going to tackle this problem, starting with the parentheses, then the exponents, then you're going to multiply and divide, and then add and subtract. So looking at this problem, let's look in here. 7 minus 5 is going to give me 2. So once we find that 7 minus 5 equals 2, we're going to try and get rid of these parentheses. Since there's nothing else we can do inside this parentheses, we're going to look to the outside. When you have a number on the outside of the parentheses, they are being multiplied together. So this is going to be 2 times 2, which is going to give us 4. So 2 times 2 equals 4, and now we have no more parentheses. Next we're going to move to exponents, which is 3 squared. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is going to be 9. So 3 squared is going to equal to 9. Do we have any more exponents? No, we don't. So next we're going to multiply and divide. Now, we don't have any numbers that are being multiplied, but we do have a division here, which is 8 divided by 4, which is going to give us 2. So 8 divided by 4 gives us 2, and then we're going to add and subtract, which in this case is just going to be subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. So this is going to be 40 subtracted by 9 subtracted by 2. So 40 subtracted by 9 subtracted by 2 is going to give us 29. And this is the final answer. This question is asking, simplify 12 minus 6 times 3 divided by 11 minus 8 squared. So before we start this problem, let's first understand the order of operations, which is stated right here. The acronym to help you memorize this is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And this is what these letters represent is parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So we're going to start with the stuff that's in the parentheses and then move on down as our order of operations. That's what we're going to start with first. So looking at this problem, we're going to start with the parentheses, what's inside here, which is going to be 11 minus 8. So 11 minus 8 is going to give us 3. So now that we got the 3, there's nothing else that can happen inside these parentheses, so we're going to move on to the next step, which is exponents, which is right here. So 3 squared is going to give us 9. From here, we're going to multiply and divide. So we have 6 times 3 divided by 9. Let's work from left to right. So 6 times 3 is going to give us 18. 6 times 3 is 18. And next we're going to do 18 divided by 9 because that is the next step. So 18 divided by 9 is going to give us 2. Then all we have left is 12 minus 2, and that's at the very end of your order of operations. So 12 minus 2 is going to give us 10, and 10 is our final answer.